Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today, I'm gonna be making some fajitas. I usually sometimes I do tacos, but I like fajitas. I like doing the chicken fajita version. You know what I'm saying? Somebody bought a new piece of equipment and they decided to have it. That's her new toy. She's straight abandoned. So I had to bring it out of retirement. You know what I'm saying? I had to bring the air fryer out of retirement. So let's get to it. All right, gotta clean it first.
Right. You sit at the table.